Well guys, before I continue with this video tutorial, let's fix the HTML markup a little bit. Let's head over to the meta tag that says viewport, and we are going to replace the word viewport with the word width. This is a fix that we have to make to the code. And after that, the next step is to go to Google and make a search. And we are going to go to Google and we are going to look for the material design icons. We are going to look for the material design web page or material icons web page. This web page contains icons for the websites. You can look for these websites. You can look for this website by typing in Google icons. So go to Google and make a search. Look for the word Google icons, and if you perform the search, one of the results says icons dash material design. You have to click on that option. And as you can see, this website appears. This website is a Google website. Google offers icons that you can use for your websites. In this case, I'm going to make a search in order to find an icon for a home page. So I click on the filter by name text field and I type in home in order to find icons for a home page. If I scroll the page down, I can see that there is a home page icon. I'm gonna click on the home page icon. And as you can see, in the upper left corner of the website, there is an option that says selected icon. Click on that option, and you have to scroll down. After you scroll down, you see that in the left side of the page there is a section that says usage for modern browsers. Now I'm going to select the HTML markup that appears, and I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to select the option copy in order to copy the markup that appears here. I have to go to the Sublime text editor, and I'm going to remove the home word, and I'm going to paste the code that was copied from the website. As you can see, the code appears here. Is a code that says material icons. In order to continue, I have to scroll up I have to scroll the web page a little bit, and I have to select the option that says developer guide. After clicking the option, another page appears that says material icons guide. I'm going to scroll down this web page. After you scroll down the page, you get to the section that says setup method number 1 using via Google Web Fonts. In this section, another piece of markup appears. This markup says link So you have to select all this markup, and you have to copy this markup and paste it inside the HTML code that we are working on. Now we are back in the Sublime Text Editor. We go to the section that says head, or the head section of your web page, and we are going to copy. We are going to paste the code, and as you can see, a link tag appears. This link tag says googleapis.com/icon family equals material icons. This is a link to the Google servers, and this link enables this web page to use icons from Google. So we are going to save the changes by clicking Control S, and we are going to refer to the we are going to head over to the web browser, and we are going to refresh the web page. Now, as you can see, a small house icon appears. That small house icon is used to reference the home page. So as you can see now, you know how to insert icons in your web page.